Make America great again.
With tariffs on the rise under Trump, China exports are finding new markets.
We are about to be hit by a tsunami of Chinese goods. When Trump does impose tariffs on Chinese exports, then the goods that were originally supposed to go to the US will have to find new markets.
Some welcome that. Others don't.
Apakah kita ini dipaksa untuk berhenti bekerja? Betul, teman-teman?
I think it's crazy. In China, they do the factory 24 hours. They use AI. Of course, we cannot compete.
Southeast Asian economies are being squeezed by China exports on the one hand and United States tariffs on the other.
Foreign leaders have stolen our jobs. Foreign cheaters have ransacked our factories. They do it to us and we do it to them.
It will impact Malaysia solar panel manufacturing industry a lot. It might kill off the whole industry.
Mankind as a whole really need to realize the real motivation of the United States and the wrongfulness of using tariff as an instrument of political power against other countries.
With pressure from both the world superpowers, how will ASEAN manage?
ASEAN's got a plan B in place. We're now swimming against the tide, but we've got to keep swimming.